Hello guys, welcome to another opening video. Sorry it's not live today, but I'm just gonna record this one and add it on YouTube. I'm sure you guys won't miss me anyway. So let's get on into it. We got Final Fantasy Beyond Destiny booster box, which comes with, each pack contains 12 cards, randomly taken from a total of 124 plus 162 premium cards. Does not include a rule book, and pack might contain 2 identical cards. 36 packs per box. There's 48 commons, 36 rares, 26 heroes, 14 legends, and 162 premium cards. I apologize for the noise. So that's eBay noises. So let me just lower that real quick for you guys. Alright, so let's crack this thing open. This is going to probably be longer than most of my other openings, because I think this is the most packs I'll be opening at one time. Alright. So we got Princess Sarah for the promo card. So let me, there we go. Hang out over there for now. Alright. So let's get started. We're looking for a signed Jack Garland card. That's the $400 banger in this. Maybe Irvin full art, Ultimecia full art. So we got, Rain, Princess Goblin, Luna, is that Lufenian? That's Larza, Machinist from 14. Ram. Ooh, my personal favorite, Summoner. I think I'm going to keep that one, to be honest. I hope I got a foil of that. Speaking of foils, we got a Setzer foil. That's Tavis. Oh, sweet. Squall. That's another collection one there. Merilith. And Kraken. Actually, I'm going to sort these out too. Let's see. Rare, hero, common. Alright, commons. Alright. Common, rare, hero, foil. It's a hero foil technically. But I normally do just foils in one pile, so I'm going to continue to do it there. Alright, next one. Try to make it as not boring as possible if I can. So we got a Final Fantasy 14 Warrior. And Quirkin. Bard. Ooh. Gunbreaker. I really like this. Is a lot of 14 in this set. That's pretty awesome. Black Mage. If you don't know, I love 14 online. Haven't played it in a while. Got Sid 2. I just realized. I wonder if you guys realized. I was putting those upside down. Ooh. This one's for Liz. Astrologian. Put that over there. And Elena foil. That's a heroic as well. Zandy. Onion Knight. I'm probably going to resort these later. I'm doing very bad at this sorting. Palom. And Refia. Who knows, by the end of this, I'll probably be breezing through these. Ooh, another XIV. Samurai. And this is a 12. Nice. Dragoon. And then Bormore. Cryle. Another Sid 2. This one's Monk Special. I don't know what Special is. Maybe it's like a... Maybe somebody else will know. I do not. Special. Interesting. And then we have Red Mage. Pretty cool looking Red Mage. And then we got Bart's. S, I believe, is Special, maybe? Oh, there is no S on that. Yeah, I'm going to go with their Special. So I'll put Bart's there. Then we got Heroic Jed. Then Stone Serpent General Zazarg from 11. Then Queen from Type 0. DFF Type 0. And then Edgar. Alright, so we got another 14 Dancer. And Ash from 12. Warrior from 14. Alright, so we got another Quirkin. Machina from Theorhythm. And technically Type 0. Then Ninja. Snow. Ooh, from 3, Titan. That's a pretty cool foil. That's another heroic foil. And Tulian. Nini. Russ. And I'm going to say Nilika. So the cell phone ones, I'm not very familiar with a lot of the cell phone game ones. I did like Record Keeper, but that one's not around anymore. Alright. Desh. I'm going to say Leftia. Ooh, that's cool. Gilgamesh. Vera, which they have in 14 now as well, but this is from 12. Oh, yeah, they even have Sage from 14. Ooh, and Reaper. That's a pretty cool Reaper card. I didn't play much Reaper. That was actually one of the classes I didn't play a lot of. Dark Knight. I definitely played a good portion of Dark Knight. Oh, and a foil Sage. That's cool. And then Y'shtola. It's a cool looking card as well. And Fran. Another Russ. And Cloud. Alright. Another 14. Paladin. My favorite tank class. Probably because it's the easiest, to be honest. Evil Weapon. Mutsuki. I gotta finish Type 0. This is Red Mage, another one that says Special. So my guess is maybe these are like special art or something. Another Ninja. Scholar. Bomb. Ooh. It's a nice foil. Fran foil. We got Ash. The Gale Serpent General Nahilith is what I'm gonna guess. Another Edgar and another Queen. Bard. Gunbreaker. Paladin, Evil Weapon, Shantoto, Black Mage, another Astrologian, and holy moly, we got a full art Irvin. Got TCG player up right now, and market price $59.98. So that is definitely sleeved up. I got top loaders somewhere, so I'm gonna have to put it in one. So we're gonna put that there now, but I'll put in a top loader after. Ooh. Clumsy. There we go. That is a great pull. I want to show it off. My camera's awful. There you go. Man, if it wasn't worth that much, I would totally keep it. It's one of my favorite Final Fantasies is 8. It was my first one. Pandemonium, which is a heroic, which is this pile. Another Squall. Stone Serpent General, the same guy we read before. Another Marilyn. So first full art is a great one. We got Ash, White Mage, which I don't know, put that one to the side. Minwoo from 2. Trey, another Machina, another Machinist, another Snow, foil Ash this time. Then Ferris Legend. I'm gonna put that with the heroic. Terra, Rain, and Theodore. Alright, I'm gonna adjust these piles a little bit because these commons are getting commons and rares. I want to move them up. Give myself a little space. Now, if you do see any cards that you want, check out my eBay. If they're not on my eBay, you could always write me. So we got White Tiger, Lassie, Kunmi, Sahagin, Black Knight, another Rain, Guy, Dragoon, Summoner, ooh, Griever, it's a cool looking one. Then Sky Serpent General Ruhadin, maybe? Can you read it? No, of course not. And then Russian Arbiter. Another Stone Serpent General. And a Spring Serpent General, Mealy Alapo. Sure, I'm butchering these names being a fan. I am upset with myself. I didn't play a whole lot of 11. There's certain ones I didn't play a ton of. And then some of the original, like some of the first 6. I've done 1, I've done 2. Started 4, I believe. Alright, another White Mage, Trey, Minwoo, Dancer, Monk, Machina, Dark Knight, and a foil Ninja. I really do like how these foils look. And Leela, that's the heroic. That's the heroic. Okay. And then another Russian Arbiter, Vermilion Bird, Lassie, Kaituna, and Bic, maybe? Another Princess Goblin. Lufrenian. Larsa. Samurai. Shantoto. Monk. Red Mage. Emperor Gestal from Final Fantasy VI. And that is another heroic. Then Furion, which is the heroic non-foil. And then Fran. Ooh, Ward. That's another one for the collection. For me. Cloud. Yeah, I'm a sucker for Final Fantasy VIII. Actually, that Ward card, the full art is worth like $20. Alright. So we'll keep an eye out for that full art. Alright. Ash. Warrior. Quirkin. Bard. Ninja. Shantoto. Snow. Ooh, foil Gilgamesh. Hard to tell, but foil. Yes. And this is a common. And a non-foil Emperor Gestal. Ooh. Lick. Nini. Palom. Trying to figure out my space situation here. Thank you for bearing with me through all these horrible opening videos and bad cameras. When everything is good, production value is great, I know you'll still be here for me. Mitsuki. Red Mage. White Tiger, Lassie, Kunmi. Sahagin. Guy. Dragoon. Bomb. Vieira Foil. It's pretty cool. That's from 12. Darkness Manifest. Tiamat. Kraken. And Queen. Alright. Black Knight. Rain. Princess Goblin. Lufenian. Scholar. Oh, I saw the name of that foil. That might be a keeper for me. Machinist. Summoner. Squall. But the little foil one, yeah, it's gonna go in my pile. Astos. Another, this one, I think he's he's definitely in 14, but this is SOPFFO. Strangers Up Paired. Yes, that makes more sense. I actually didn't finish that one. That was a tough one, to be honest. Right. Terra. Galoof. And Flame Serpent General Gadalar. Still waiting for more full arts. I think on average from these boxes I normally get like 3. Dash, Rain, Quirkin, Gunbreaker. I don't know if we actually had a Gunbreaker yet, but another one of the tanks that I liked, enjoyed. Sage, Machinist, Summoner. I'm getting lots of Summoners. Dragoon Foil. And that is a 14 Dragoon. Ooh, Odin. And that's the heroic. Oh, Riku. I think it's the first Riku card I have pulled, period. Ooh, another 8 Kyros. Man, this set is more... And then rain. This set seems to be going more in a pile for me than anything. It's okay. That one Irvin card, that's definitely worth it so far. Alright, Sahagin, Kryl, Red Mage, Dragoon. This is from 12. Shantoto, Guy, Red Mage, Foil Larsa. That's cool. I like the purplish blue background there. And Sophia. There's the Heroic. Nini. Ooh, Renoa. Another. This is from Theorhythm, but another 8. And then Bicky. Or Bick. Or whatever his. However you pronounce it. Just a lot of packs left. What time? So we're at 20 minutes. Not horrible. Alright. So Leftia, Fiera, Larza, White Mage, Monk, Machina, Dark Knight, ooh, Sid 2 foil. Leviathan for the Heroic. Then Lick, 9, and Russ. So I'm going to try to breeze through the commons and rares a little bit faster for you guys. So we got Trey, Minwoo, Dancer, Ash, Machinist, Ram, Snow, Monk foil. Fail Thanos. Ooh, that is Heroic from 12. Another Riku, Squall, and Merilith. Alright, Gunbreaker, Paladin, Evil Weapon, Utsuki, Black Mage, Guy, Astrologian, Gale Serpent General, Nahilith foil. Ooh, Warrior of Light Legend. Oh, sorry about that. All kinds of production issues today. Another Karos, another Ward, another Refia. Red Mage, White Tiger Lassie, Queenum, or Quanmi, sorry, Sahagin, Black Knight, Dragoon, Scholar, Bomb, ooh, Reaper foil. And the Reaper is a common. Titan, Onion Knight, Riku, 9. Where are the full arts hiding? Another Mutsuki, Dancer, Paladin, Bard, Black Knight, Ninja, Scholar, Gunbreaker foil. And I have the whole XIV foil set. Ooh, Vaughn. Which is the Heroic. Ooh, another new one. Runda from Final Fantasy Brave Vixius, the cell phone game. Tiamat and Nilika. Dragoon, for more, Kryl, Desh, Sage, Monk, Dark Knight, Guy Foil, Shiva Heroic, Terra, Galoof, and Kraken. Alright. Former, Princess Goblin, Samurai, Sahagin, Ram, Reaper, Red Mage, Galoof Foil. Oh, and then Neon for the Heroic. Have Palome, and Edgar. Kryl, Red Mage, Dragoon, Leftia, Monk, Dragoon, Dark Knight. Oh, Pinello. It's a Heroic foil. And then Shadow. And then Gale Serpent Guy, Russian Arbiter, Refia. Alright, Viera, Larsa, White Mage, Trey, Minmu, Ninja, Monk, and Neolika, rare foil. Oh, and Ace Heroic. Onion Knight, 9, and Ward. What do we got left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 left. Getting there. Definitely getting there. Larza, Samurai, Dragoon, Fomor, Ram, Sid 2. Sorry about that. Had some technical difficulties there. My computer wouldn't let me record any more video until I cleared space on my primary drive. So I apologize for that. As you can see on the screen, I did post 4 of the cards that I've sold so far since I made that video. So you got the Sky Serpent General sold for $1.59, the Lena foil sold for $4.09, the Irvin Full Art foil, which I really did like that card, sold for $41.84, and the Jack Garland card sold for $5.41. It's been about maybe 5 days since I opened that box, so not so bad. But anyways, thank you for coming. I apologize that we didn't get to see those last 10, 11 packs. Next time I will make sure I have enough disk space and get you the whole video. And I'm also going to try to figure out how to make it a little faster, because over 30 minutes, I'm not sure how many of you guys are left here. But if you are here watching the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, favorite, subscribe, bookmark, do all social media things. I have all my links down below. Got the link to the eBay. Check out my cards and my other products. Don't forget to check out Don't Doubt Dave, my buddy's podcast that I've been going on and doing football picks with and talking fantasy football and whatnot for the football season. So you'll catch me over there as well. And it's a good podcast, so when it's not football season, you can still listen to it. And we're both Mets fans, so I guarantee you the next episode is going to be all nice things about the Mets. So thank you for coming, and I will see you next time. Peace out.